Hello, everyone. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to talk about something beautiful. Life is a comprehensive art. This might sound complicated at first. Let me explain what this means and how it can change your life. Comprehensive means everything combined. A comprehensive view sees the big picture. It sees how all the pieces fit together. It sees the whole story, not just one chapter. Art is creating something beautiful. Art is expressing yourself. Art is making something meaningful. Art requires intention and care. Art requires choices and decisions. Your life is like an artwork you create every day. Every experience shapes the overall picture. You are the artist. Your life is your masterpiece. But life is not just one type of art. It is comprehensive art. It includes many different elements, all working together. 1. An artist takes care of their tools. Your body is your primary tool for living. When you exercise, you are sculpting your body. When you sleep well, you are restoring your canvas. Your physical health is part of your life's art. Your mind is part of your art. What you think about shapes your life. What you learn expands your possibilities. An artist must train their mind. They must observe carefully. They must imagine new possibilities. They must solve problems creatively. Your thoughts are like the sketches before the painting. They plan what will come next. Reading books feeds your mind. Learning new things gives you new colors to work with. Thinking deeply helps you create meaning. Your emotions are part of your art. How you feel gives your life color and depth. Joy is like bright yellow. Sadness is like deep blue. Peace is like soft green. All emotions have a place in your art. An artist uses many colors to create depth and beauty. In life, you will feel many emotions. All of them are part of your human experience. How you express and manage these emotions is an art. Your values are part of your art. What you believe in shapes your art. Your values are like the theme of your artwork. Some people value honesty above all. Some people value kindness. Some people value courage. Some people value justice. Your values guide your choices. They give your life coherence and meaning. Your relationships are part of your art. They are part of the composition. Each person adds something unique. Even brief encounters with strangers add small details. How you treat people is an artistic choice. Kindness adds beauty to your art. Love adds warmth and light. Your work is part of your art. How you approach your work is an artistic choice. Do you bring creativity to it? Do you bring excellence to it? Do you bring purpose to it? Even simple work can be done beautifully. A cashier who makes customers smile is an artist. Your environment is part of your art. Where you live matters. How you arrange your space matters. The objects you surround yourself with matter. Artists are careful about their studio. Your home is your studio. How you keep it reflects your inner state. A cluttered space often means a cluttered mind. A peaceful space often means a peaceful mind. You can create beauty in your environment. An artist is careful with their time. They dedicate time to their craft.
How you use your time shapes your life's art. Your use of time is part of your art. 2. The principle of harmony and balance. In art, harmony means all the parts work well together. Colors complement each other. Shapes balance each other. Light and shadow create depth. In life, harmony means the same thing. Your work supports your values.
Your relationships support your growth. Your rest supports your productivity. Your emotions support your decisions. Everything works together. It means everything has its place and purpose. 3. The principle of composition. In art, composition means how you arrange things. Where you place each element matters. In life, composition means priorities.
What do you put at the center of your life? What do you push to the edges? What do you make big and important? What do you make small and minimal? Different people compose their lives differently. There's no single right answer, but you must choose consciously. If you do not choose, life will choose for you, and the composition might not be what you want.
4. How to create your life as art. Now, you might wonder how to actually do this. Here are some practical steps. Step 1. Become aware. Pay attention to your life. Notice how you spend your time. Notice how you feel. Notice what brings you joy. Notice your patterns and habits. Only then can you see what needs to change.
You cannot create intentionally without awareness. Step 2. Define your goal. What kind of life do you want to create? What does your ideal life look like? Not someone else's ideal. What values matter most to you? What experiences do you want to have? What kind of person do you want to be? What kind of relationships do you want?
This is like the sketch before the painting. It guides your choices. Step 3. Make intentional choices. Every day, you make hundreds of choices. Most people make them unconsciously. They react instead of choosing. They follow habits instead of intentions. But an artist makes conscious choices. When you wake up, choose your attitude. When you work, choose to give your best. When you speak, choose kind words. Small intentional choices add up to a beautiful life. Step 4. Create balance. Remember that life is comprehensive. Do not neglect any area. Make time for your body through exercise and rest. Make time for your mind through learning and reflection. Make time for your emotions through expression and processing. Make time for your relationships through presence and care. Make time for your work through focus and effort. Make time for your spirit through whatever feeds your soul. Balance does not mean equal time for everything. It means appropriate attention to all areas. Never completely abandon any area. Step 5. Embrace the process. Creating art takes time. It requires patience. You will have days that feel like mistakes. You will have periods that feel messy. This is normal. This is part of the creative process. When something does not work, learn from it, adjust, and continue. Keep creating. Step 6. Share your art. Art is meant to be shared. Your life is meant to be shared too. When you live authentically and beautifully, you inspire others. Your life's art can touch other lives. It can make the world more beautiful. Share your love. Share your kindness. Share your joy.
Share your lessons. This is how your art multiplies its impact.
5. Conclusion. Life is a comprehensive art. It includes your body, mind, emotions, values, relationships, work, environment, and time. All of these elements work together. All of them contribute to the whole. You are the artist. Every day you add to your creation. Every relationship is part of the composition. You have the power to create something beautiful. You have the freedom to choose your direction. You have the responsibility to create consciously, not carelessly, but intentionally and beautifully. Your life is your masterpiece. Start today. Your unique, beautiful life art. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you see your life differently now. Go create something beautiful. The world needs your unique art. Keep making your life beautiful. If this lesson touched your heart, subscribe and join us. A new, inspiring lesson is waiting for you.